for example. There are very different views if you think about that from in the management world. There are people that say the creativity and innovation is not done because of financial returns. People that, the less people think about financial return, the more likely it is that you have big creative ideas. um, but there are also cases of companies that did really well by giving bonuses to their engineers and scientists. Like one of the first one that experimented a lot with this was Motorola, the company that was at that time a leading company in mobile phones. They were giving all sorts of bonuses if you were coming up with idea that they could patent. They were giving you also non-monetary recognition, badges, and so on.